Oh, oh my God. Hey guys, Mix here, and today we're going to be trying to ride the pit bike in the snow. I was riding in the blizzard yesterday because we just got blizzard or bomb cyclone. I'm sure most of you guys heard it. It hammered us, and we probably got 12 to 18 inches. I was riding yesterday the pit bike in the blizzard. I didn't bother recording it because it was a total whiteout. You couldn't see anything. But here's one of my mini bike frames, completely covered, so hopefully the pit bike can handle this. Alright guys, so I just got the pit bike out and I'm hoping that it could get through this. Yesterday, it got through it okay. I was posting some pictures and videos on Instagram. If you guys already don't have me on there, definitely check me out. Here's one of the videos that I posted. So as you can see, this thing was ripping, but we got like another maybe half a foot of snow since then, and it is like honestly insane. So I'm really curious if this will be able to get through it. I mean, this is a little beast, so we're gonna do a little cold start here, and then maybe we can make a ramp or something, or just goon around in the snow. We'll just see what happens. I feel like that kid from the Polar Express that's on top of the train.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
But I want to show you guys this. The wind yesterday was so intense that it like all the snow and everything was blowing around, and I made these awesome lines. But this is like an 8-foot fence, and it's like halfway up it. So this has to be at least 4 feet. Doesn't look that big on camera, but it is actually pretty steep. Hey, over here is crazy, and then it just drops down. I guess the wind just flowed over the fence. That's insane. And while I'm trying to get back to the pit bike, I want to apologize for not uploading for the past like 4 days or so. Just the weather has been way too insane just to even work on anything. So I figured I'd just do a riding video today. Alright guys, so now let's do a quick cold start and see how many kicks it takes. Alright guys, so this was just leaning out. It kept bogging down while I was giving it gas. So I was just going to make it richer, but I just went to record it to show you guys, and all of a sudden it just started working better. It's running way better. I'm able to full throttle it this time. And I did give it a while to warm up. So I mean, it seems to be running good now. But the big problem is, I don't think it's going to be able to make it through this. But I'm just going to keep on trying. I'm probably going to throw on the GoPro. So just in case if I do get anywhere from where I'm going to set up the camera, you guys can see how well I'm doing. Toledo. All right, guys. So this thing was trying its hardest to get through this snow. I mean, it got grip sometimes, a lot of times it didn't. As you can hear me almost hitting rev limiter the entire time. But I don't want this thing to get too hot, even though it's really cold out and it's covered in snow. I don't want it to get too hot from that much of, that much hard work it's put in. So I'm gonna let it just chill out for a sec, and then we'll try again and see if we can get any better. Alright, so on my last run, the camera died halfway through. You guys only saw that one part that you guys just saw, and the GoPro wasn't recording, so I'm going to redo that run, and hopefully as we go on, we start to take the snow out. But anyway, hopefully we can dig the snow up more and, get kind of like a trail type going so we can get more traction. Alright guys, so I'm going to be ending the video here. As you can see, it's getting dark out right now. And sorry if there wasn't a lot of GoPro footage or just a whole lot of riding in general. I mean, obviously there was a lot of riding, but not as much as I hoped to because the GoPro kept messing up. The camera kept dying because it is really cold out. There's supposed to be like a wind chill of like up to -35 or something around the area, so that should be exciting. But the pit bike did not too bad. I mean, it did struggle a lot, but I was ripping her. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully build videos will be coming soon once all this snow melts, or at least just goes down a little bit. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, friends with the channel.